Welcome to the Department of Health's Bureau of Long-Term Care Licensing. We will review Perpetual Licensing Online Portal Enhancements, the Basics, Provider Portal User Guide, effective October 1st, 2019, presented by ADHS Bureau of Long-Term Care Licensing. We hope you find this guide helpful in completing the online annual licensing fee submission process. A quick background and key notes. Law 2017, Chapter 122, made changes to Arizona Revised Statutes 36425C. It states, a healthcare institution license does not expire and remains valid unless 1. The department subsequently revokes or suspends the license. 2. The license is considered void because the license did not pay the licensing fee before the licensing fee due date. A $250 late fee when past fee due date will be added. A 30-day grace period after fee due before the license becomes voided. An annual compliance survey will still occur. Facilities are to continue to be required to be in compliance with Arizona Administrative Code. An alternate fee due date may be requested every 3 years. Stakeholder work groups were held. Draft rules were posted soliciting comments. Oral proceedings were held. Notice of final rulemaking was published on June 28, 2019. Effective date October 1st, 2019. Warning: with automated portal, failure to pay by the end of the 30-day grace period will result in automatic voiding of license, with notification to Access and CMS as applicable. Perpetual licensing. Rulemaking completed effective October 1st, 2019. The online portal was updated and enhanced. Portal enhancements. Visit the Bureau of Long-Term Care Licensing online portal by logging in at the URL posted at the top of the page. You will see the home page, Welcome to Division of Licensing Services online website. It is important to read the home page thoroughly. If using for the first time, you must register. For first-time users, please be aware that the registration process requires an approval by the department, which will be processed within 24 hours of initial registration during business hours between Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with the exception of holidays. To begin the registration process, select the word Register from the top right corner of the screen. Before moving forward, grab a pen and paper as you will need to write down the username and password you create and keep it in a safe place, as it will be required each time you log in. Please note, username and password is case sensitive. Creating a new account. Enter username. Keep in mind the username will not be editable. Enter a unique password that contains at least 8 characters and includes at least 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and 1 of the approved special characters. You will need to confirm the password. Enter an email that you will have access to. You will also need to confirm the email. Complete the data entry, first name, last name, and phone number. In the I am registering as box from the drop-down list, select Long-Term Care Facilities Provider. In the Name of Owner box, begin typing in the name of the licensee. This is the name that appears on the license, and then select the owner name from the drop-down list. In the Facility ID box, also shown as FAC ID box, select the license number or all facilities. If you have more than one facility, we encourage you to register all. Upon completing, select Register at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will then be redirected, and at the top of the screen you will see registration process has been completed. Within 48 hours, you will get a notification email informing you that your registration has been approved. Upon approval, you can start the online annual licensing fee submission process. Click on the link in the email and it will then redirect you to the login page. To begin, select the words Login from the top right corner of the login page. Once you're redirected to the login screen, please insert the approved username and password that you created and saved. Select the login box to begin. If you are having trouble logging in, select Click here for help. Click on Retrieve Username or Reset Password, whichever is applicable, Follow the instructions. A link to retrieve or reset will be sent to the email provided at registration. Submitting the annual licensing fee. Select Submit Annual Licensing Fee located at the bottom left of the screen. You will see the facility or facilities that are ready and indicated by the words Fee Due in the 5th column. To begin, click on Submit Fee in the 6th column. Begin data review. Review the healthcare institution information and edit as needed or complete as required. Special note: gray areas are unable to be modified. You may hover over a gray area and you will see a pop-up box that reads, "This field cannot be modified." Please contact the department for further instructions. Click Continue. Please review the approved services. If you are offering any of the approved services and do not see them listed here, please complete the supplemental application form. Approved services available: secured Alzheimer's/dementia unit, ventilator area, dialysis services, radiology services, diagnostic imaging services, clinical lab services, behavioral health services. If the owner's name is modified, you will be asked to select the reason for the change. Special note: you may hover over any icon and you will see a message pertaining to that section. You may note certain data entries may require supporting documentation as proof. Complete the data entry information as appropriate and click Continue. Fees. Review total amount due. This includes base fee, licensed capacity, late fee, and enforcement fees. Check the I acknowledge box located at the bottom left screen. Clicking Submit Fee will direct you to the payment information page. Special note: do not use the back arrow once you get to the payment screen. Click Submit Fee. If completing payment by credit card, complete required information pertaining to payment account holder. If paying by electronic check, enter the required information and click Continue. Review the payment order, billing information, account information, and order information. Edit if needed. If satisfied, select Authorize. Once payment has been authorized, you will be able to download and print a receipt for your record keeping. Click Continue. This is how the downloadable receipt will look. You will also receive a PDF receipt via email as well. Please keep this for your records. You can print your complete annual licensing fee submission by selecting Get Online Form in PDF, located on the mid-left side of the screen. You can select Return to Facility List to continue with another annual licensing fee submission. You can also select Return to Order History List to review order history. When complete, click Log Off located at the top right corner of the screen. We will now go over how to request an alternate licensing fee due date. From the facility or facilities that are ready and indicated by the words Fee Due in the 5th column, you may request an alternate licensing fee due date if the fee due date is blue and underlined with a greater than symbol. Select Fee Due Date in blue. If you wish to proceed, click OK in the pop-up window. Complete the indicated fields. You may hover over the icon to reveal a message pertaining to that section. Select the desired new fee due date from the drop-down box. Enter a written statement, reason for request. Click Submit. Once you have submitted your request, it will be forwarded to the department management for review. Prior to approval, you will be contacted via email with the decision. Click Close. We hope this training assists you in successfully submitting the annual licensing fee. However, if you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact the Bureau of Long-Term Care Licensing and ask to speak with our administrative staff for further assistance. Thank you.